Okay guys, show you something special on the menu. We got a Grand Cherokee. Once again, with 4 Giottis. We are the 4 Giottis specialists. There's some beautiful wheels, high dollar wheels, but unfortunately, they have deep dish lips. And when you hit a pothole in Houston, you're gonna bend it. And when you bend it, guess who you gotta come see? Houston Wheel Repair, because we specialize in 4 Giottis, taking them apart, putting them back together, redoing the barrels, redoing the seals, we do it all. But this is a sick SRT Jeep Grand Cherokee special exhaust. It's nasty. It's nasty. I like that. 392. That's nice. Beside it, we got a Porsche. We're doing the brake calipers. Beside it, we got a GMC. So Monday morning starts out busy as usual. We're putting the Porsche decals on this car. We did the calipers in red, and we're doing the decals on it. So if you want to get your brake calipers done and keep your decals, bring it to us. We can take care of it. But I really do like this SRT. It's badass. HoustonWheelRepair.org, mywheeldoctor.com. This is another reason why we are the best. 713-942-0294.